You guys have seen me for over a decade making videos, and you've never seen me just put something out because I got paid for it. Everything that we get behind and everything that we actually put into our videos, into our education tutorials, like all the different products are products that I personally have fallen in love with, that I personally have looked at it and said, you know, I see value here for our community because you guys out there are the ones that are important. Not everybody has a huge amount of money, and there's different levels in the trade. So we try to bring in the best products on different levels so that everyone out there can actually see it for what it is and take advantage of it when they're on the level to take advantage of it. When I saw that AI was now in the cam market, I had mixed feelings about it. I was excited, but at the same time, I'm a programmer. When you look at our videos, when you look at the company, when you look at the education platform, when you look at all the work that we've done for SpaceX, Blue Origin, all these huge companies, I've only been able to create all of it because I started out as a programmer who solved problems. So programming is the core of who I am. And then of course, I've surrounded myself with a crazy team. Now let's break down a few things. When you look at Cam Assist and you look at AI, and you look at programming in general, when it comes to simple parts, you can actually program pretty quick once you have a lot of experience. As the part gets more complicated, when it gets, and you have more pockets and you have features coming from all different directions and you're having to flip things over and click on a million different things. That's where Cam Assist is truly making a difference for companies. Now, granted, when you look at simple parts, and you're a good programmer, you can actually get it done in minutes. You can get it done quick and efficiently because you have the skills. But not everyone has the skills that you have. And even if you have crazy skills, when you look at a part, all of a sudden it's not just a small little rectangle, it's a crazy housing with different pockets and levels and grooves and holes everywhere. And then you're machining on the outside, the inside, you're flipping it over. All of a sudden, a simple roughing pass like OptiRough or Adaptive or something is just not gonna work for you because now you need to look at all of it and there's a million features. So what Cam Assist is doing is basically taking all the boring aspects of programming out. If you're a master programmer, if you're a great programmer, or if you're even a mediocre programmer, you need to be thinking about strategy. You need to be thinking about optimizing your toolpaths. You don't need to be spending hours and hours clicking on every single pocket and chamfering every single little thing and clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking. Now that's where Cam Assist is thriving. It's taking away the boring, tedious clicking of toolpaths over and over and over. In a few seconds, you can literally have your program. You can just establish where your zero is, click Cam Assist, it comes up, you just hit, are you doing 3-axis? How much power do you have? You just click a few things and you simply hit code. And no matter how big the part is, based on how you've managed your tool list and brought it in, it'll literally just program everything. And then you simply say, send it into your CAM software, and it just populates all the toolpaths. Now that in itself is crazy. Imagine if you have 50 different jobs. Just being able to do it that fast and looking at the time, your quoting alone is gonna make the whole package just work because it's gonna be so quick to just get toolpaths and look at how long it takes and have a good average for the machine. And then understand that, you know what, looking at all of these toolpaths, and looking at the tools, which I've selected the tools, I've selected the step overs, the surface foot and the chip load, and everything's basically running how I designed the tool list to be. I know I'm basically 80% there. So when I look at my time and it says 64 minutes, it's easy for me to just kind of look at it, say 64 minutes, let's just add a little bit of time, 70 minutes, let's put the setup in, let's do this. And boom, quotes, quotes, quotes. And all of a sudden, now you're more efficient. And I'm letting you guys know right now, behind the scenes, I'm watching Cam Assist as it grows, and it is so impressive. Every month, it just gets better and better and better. It's allowing machinists to stay in control and to dictate the behavior of the AI. So AI is just doing what you want it to do, but quick. This is about speed and intelligence, not about automation replacing a skill set. This is about being efficient, making more with less, and making money and profit in your company. exciting things happening with CloudNC and Cam Assist. And one of the biggest things right now, and something that I actually had involvement in, is actually getting Cam Assist inside of Solid Cam. Now I actually use Cam Assist in Mastercam, and you can use it on different platforms, on the different platforms that you're on. But one of the cool things I saw with Solid Cam is Solid Cam actually lives in SolidWorks. So when you actually design a part, and it's all about designing for manufacturing. So when you design a part, you can literally take the part, you can be in there, and you simply go to your toolpaths in Solid Cam that's inside of SolidWorks. And now with Cam Assist being in Solid Cam, being in SolidWorks, it's seamless. So you go from design to toolpaths, and now the toolpaths are crazy efficient. So what used to take you 6 hours where you're designing and then you're going through and clicking and clicking and clicking and making everything happen, and it might take you 6 hours. Now you're designing and your toolpaths are like this, and you're making just some simple adjustments, and every single project, depending on how much time and how much complexity, you're just dropping the time and becoming way more efficient. So the seamless workflow right there is a thing of beauty. And not only is Cam Assist making the toolpaths incredibly quick, but it's using iMachining and Solid Cam to its full capability. So now you don't have to have a crazy amount of skill. Now that's what I've always said about iMachining. You can have mediocre programmers that haven't stepped into Inconel, haven't stepped into titanium, hasn't stepped into different hard materials because of the way SolidCam understands the material and the pressure and all of it. At the beginning, you can simply set the tone by calling up the material that you're gonna cut, and then all of the tools are running based on that material and based on the information that you put in the tool and in the library. Now, before we go further, I just wanna let you guys know, Cam Assist is working in SolidCam right now, and it's live via the latest SolidCam service pack. If you're a SolidCam user, you simply access it right now by going to cloudnc.com to get started. So I already talked about quoting and how it's so easy for somebody to actually put in the model, set the 0, get the toolpaths, look at how long it takes, and understand that you're actually pretty damn close when it comes to manufacturing speed and runtime. Another thing that Cam Assist is super good for is DFM, so design for manufacturing. So when you have a designer or an engineer designing a part, they can actually come into Cam Assist, they can say, hey, create toolpaths, and those toolpaths that are created can be off of a library that you actually have in your shop, and then they simply can create the toolpaths, and then Cam Assist will actually show you where there's issues. So if there's pockets that it can't get to, if there's corners that are just literally impossible to manufacture, it'll point those out and say, hey, we can't cut those in this operation. You would have to do something else, or you'd have to flip the part, or it's a round tool and you can't make a square edge. So it's huge when it comes to DFM, and it'll save you a crazy amount of time. So now you're using Cam Assist to help you with your quotes, to do quick quotes and get back to customers super quick. You're using Cam Assist in engineering to actually help manufacture parts and make them more machinable. Then going deeper into the manufacturing process and actually creating the code that goes in the machine to make you more profitable and get your run times down and just be more efficient. That actually becomes the natural next step. Now, a lot of people say, you know, AI is killing jobs and AI is doing this, and we don't like automation because it's taking the place of machinists. If you're scared about work leaving, work has already left. It's already been gone. It has been gone for 20 years, and we've been fighting over scraps in our different countries because of all the outsourcing. So what I'm saying is we need a mindset shift. How do you actually get the work back to our country, the work that we actually want? You get more efficient. You bring in automation. You bring in Cam Assist. You bring in smart tools that help you do more with less. Then it's not about getting rid of employees. It's about producing 10 times more of what you're able to do now with the same employees because you're more efficient. And now those same employees are being paid more because they're dealing with AI, they're dealing with automation, they're dealing with robotics, they're dealing with high-end manufacturing, and because the work is coming back, now we're profitable. I see a lot of people saying like, I can't make money, and owners saying I can't make money, and yet they're stuck in the past. We need to adapt a new way of manufacturing, a new way of machining, go into the future, build our companies, take care of our employees, and just rise levels together. Now, before I end this video, I just want to talk about a few more exciting things that are happening with Cam Assist. A strategy editor is coming, and this is super important. So I don't know everything about it, but I know that as a machinist, I like using a face mill across the top rather than an end mill. And if I have a ton of pockets, I actually like coming in with a nice coolant through drill and just drilling super quick, dropping down to the bottom and then opening up holes instead of doing a helical all the way down. So as a machinist, strategy is very important to me, and being able to look at something, engage time and say, hey, we're gonna do it like this and then do it like that, and then look at the difference in time is super important. So Cam Assist is giving you the strategy power to get things done the way you want them to be done. But of course, we're gonna look at all the different options and we're gonna see what's most efficient and what will make us the most profit on that job. Now that's coming quick, really quick. Now, another thing that I'm excited about is like hole making. Everything is about hole making. So tolerance aware advanced hole strategies. Now, this is a whole new thing that's coming to Cam Assist. Now, this is huge for precision machine parts, and it's gonna take everything that Cam Assist does in the hole making realm to the next level. I'm super excited about that. And just looking at Cam Assist and talking with the crazy team over there, these guys are dumping everything into it. So you're just gonna have more models and more models and more advances all throughout the year coming out. I mean, last year we saw a complete remake over. They've made everything so simple, so beautiful. You simply just click a few different things and it creates complex tool paths. That's what we need. So everyone at CloudNC, thank you so much for your hard work. You guys are making a difference. So a quick shout out to Theo, to Jason, to Norval, to the entire team at CloudNC. You guys are changing the world. We need to get this software in every machine shop around the world so we can just produce more parts, be successful, and make it happen. I love you guys, and remember, Cam Assist is in SolidCam right now. Hit the link in the description. If you're a current SolidCam user, simply update to the latest service pack for SolidCam, and you'll be able to go to CloudNC and use it right now. Boom, let's be efficient, let's make some money. I love you guys, boom.